The presence of the sun is essential for life as we know it. It plays a crucial role in shaping our planet, driving weather patterns, ocean currents, seasons, and climate, while also enabling plant life through photosynthesis. Without the sun's heat and light, Earth would be entirely uninhabitable. Over time, astronomers have worked tirelessly to uncover the mysteries of the sun, its age, structure, and many other fascinating aspects. Questions like, does it have a magnetic field? Or what is its mass? Have intrigued scientists for years. In this video, we'll explore some truly incredible facts about our sun. Buckle up, let's get started. The sun is extremely old. It is just one among the 100 billion stars in our Milky Way galaxy. Scientists estimate its age to be around 4.5 billion years. Since directly measuring the sun's age is impossible, astronomers rely on indirect methods. One approach is analyzing the age of the entire solar system, assuming everything formed around the same time. To determine this, they examine the oldest materials they can find, such as moon rocks. This is why astronauts brought back moon samples for study, allowing scientists to estimate their age. Understanding the sun's composition is another key aspect of unraveling its mysteries. At first glance, the sun appears as a massive, glowing sphere in the sky. But what is it actually made of? The sun is not a solid object. Instead, it consists of plasma, a substance formed from electrically charged gas atoms. It is composed of approximately 75% hydrogen and 25% helium, with only tiny traces of other elements. Interestingly, Jupiter has a similar composition to the sun. If the sun were much smaller, it would resemble a giant ball of hydrogen, much like Jupiter. The hydrogen within the sun's core is compressed under immense gravitational pressure. This pressure is so extreme that when hydrogen atoms collide with enough force, they fuse together, forming helium through a process known as nuclear fusion. This ongoing fusion reaction generates an enormous amount of energy, heating the sun's core to about 27 million degrees Fahrenheit, 15 million degrees Celsius. That energy then radiates outward, reaching the sun's surface, atmosphere, and beyond. This is the warmth we feel on Earth. It's what dries our clothes and warms our skin. The sun is enormous. Its diameter measures about 865,000 miles. To put that into perspective, that's wide enough to fit 109 Earths side by side. Even more mind-blowing, nearly 1 million Earths could fit inside the sun. Incredible, right? This massive celestial body isn't just sitting still, though. The sun is in motion. As the central anchor of our solar system, the sun moves, albeit very slowly. It doesn't stay fixed in one spot. It orbits the center of the Milky Way galaxy. In fact, completing a single orbit around the galaxy takes about 226 million years. To put that into context, dinosaurs roamed the Earth just 65 million years ago. Not only does the sun orbit the Milky Way's center, but it also rotates on its own axis. Like Earth, it spins counterclockwise when viewed from the North Pole. However, different parts of the sun spin at different speeds. Since the sun is not a solid body, its various regions rotate at different rates. At the equator, the surface completes a full rotation in about 25 days. Meanwhile, the poles rotate much more slowly, taking over a month to complete a turn. The sun has an enormous gravitational pull. It accounts for more than 99% of the total mass of the solar system. With such a massive presence, the sun exerts immense gravitational force, keeping all the planets in orbit around it. This realization was groundbreaking when first discovered, leading to the formulation of Kepler's laws, which describe planetary motion around the sun. Believe it or not, the sun's gravitational force is 27.9 times stronger than Earth's. And when scientists calculated how much energy the sun emits, the results were truly staggering. The sun is an incredible energy source. Deep within the sun's core, hydrogen atoms collide constantly under immense pressure, fusing to form helium and releasing tremendous energy. To give you an idea of just how powerful it is, the sun produces about 118 trillion times more energy per second than the United States used in all of 2003. Speaking of energy, the sun is unimaginably hot. Even though it's not your boyfriend or girlfriend, its temperature fluctuates over time and across its 8 layers. The hottest region by far is the core, where temperatures soar to over 28 million degrees Fahrenheit on average. But did you know the sun has spots? These dark patches are the result of its magnetic field. When the sun's magnetic field pushes through its surface, it disrupts the heat flow from below. This creates magnetic tubes, where the pressure is lower, causing the temperature to drop. These cooler, darker patches are known as sunspots. Sunspots follow an 11-year cycle of activity. During peak periods, the sun exhibits an increased number of sunspots. These spots can range from 10,000 miles wide to over 100,000 miles across. If you're enjoying this video, check out our video on the solar system. It's packed with even more mind-blowing facts. We owe our existence to the sun. Without it, there would be no life on Earth. It provides the energy that fuels all life, from tiny plants to humans. So next time you step outside, take a moment to appreciate the incredible star that makes life possible. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more awesome content. See you next time.